Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. Now, September was a really tough month for the stock market. US stock index were trading following another rough session on Thursday as market closed out September and the third quarter. The S&P 500 finished the month off 4.8%, while the Dow and Nasdaq flipped 4.3% and 5.4% respectively. The losses, triggered by fears of inflation, showed growth and rising interest rates. Even led the S&P 500 to notch its worst monthly performance since the pandemic took hold in March of 2020. Only the energy sector was positive for September. All the other sectors were down for the month. Now, before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I want to help you make money and achieve financial freedom. Let's do that together. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this video. I was initially wanting to present some safe stock in energy like Cheniere, because globally, the energy crisis will create a lot of opportunities for such companies to benefit hugely. Cheniere Energy Incorporated, the stock ticker symbol LNG, its market cap is about $25 billion. Cheniere is the largest company in the world in the liquefied natural gas industry. But then I said to myself, maybe another time. Although I believe that the stock LNG is a good stock to buy and keep for the next 6 months or so. Okay, a little bit about politics because it could affect the stock market. Biden did sign a temporary funding bill to prevent a government shutdown, which was good news. This prevented potential turmoil and market fluctuation. However, Congress was not able to start the vote for the $3.5 billion bill Thursday. The final amount will be significantly smaller than initially proposed by the Democrats, and this will lead to not being good news for the stock market. Today I am going to present again my favorite stock. I believe it is also the favorite stock of most viewers. It is Tesla. This year, most automakers encountered the global problems of shortage of chips, which resulted in some temporary shutdown for some automakers. This also affected Tesla production, but not that significantly. Despite of the chip shortage, Tesla is expected to reach 300,000 cars this year until September, which is a significant number, meeting the expectation. And from now until the end of the year, Tesla will deliver the Tesla cars to the buyers, reaching the peak of the year. In 2021, Tesla may be able to deliver a whopping 1 million Tesla to buyers, a historic number. This compares to last year's delivery of 500,000 Tesla. This is a huge milestone that Tesla could hit. And the Berlin plant in Germany will be starting production at the end of this year or early next year. And this will help Tesla to significantly increase its capacity and will reach a new delivery record in 2022. That's why Tesla stock has been rising for the last 4 months. But considering its record number of car delivery this year, plus the good news of expected completion of the Berlin super factory, this will further push Tesla's stock share price to reach its record number of $900 very soon. And I still believe that Cathie Wood's prediction of $3,000 for a Tesla stock price will be reached soon, maybe as soon as 2023. Although recently Cathie Wood sold some portion of Tesla shares in her ARK portfolio, but that was because ARK fund always limit to maximum 10% for an individual stock in one fund. And during the last 3 to 4 months, Tesla price has gone up around $550 to around now $775, which had led Tesla's percent in one ARK fund that is more than 10%. But anyway, I have faith in Tesla, and I will keep my Tesla shares until it reaches $3,000. But Tesla is strong competitors, not only from China, such as BYD, NIO, XPEV, LI, or European automakers, but also domestically here in the US. Earlier this year, I presented a video on CCIV, which was a SPAC stock before the merger with the startup Lucid, a high-end electric car maker located in Casa Grande, Arizona. Lucid is viewed as a frontrunner to rival electric vehicle leader Tesla. Let's take a look at Lucid stock. Since its merger, its stocks varied between $18 and $25. Lucid did announce that it began production of the flagship Air sedan. Let's watch a quick video of Lucid.
Achieved at its plant in Arizona. The company has begun production of the Lucid Air. As you take a look at shares of Lucid, obviously under pressure with a lot of the automakers and really the rest of the market today.
Extremely confident because we've accrued over 13,000 reservations to date, and it's only today that key customers and reservation holders have had the first opportunity to actually drive these cars, and they love them.
Lucid's first car is a $169,000 special edition of his flagship sedan called the Air Dream Edition. This price is almost 3 to 4 times higher than an equivalent Tesla model. Lucid said it has received more than 13,000 total reservations so far. The CEO, Peter Rawlinson, who was a former chief engineer and vice president of engineering at Tesla in 2012, Lucid is manufacturing the Air at a new factory in Casa Grande, Arizona. It's building what's expected to be a multi-billion-dollar facility, which is the first greenfield EV plant in the U.S., in phases on 590-acre site. The facility is expected to produce a SUV called Gravity in 2023. Lucid was founded in 2007 as Atieva, a name it is now used for its engineering and tech arm that supplies batteries to electric racing circuit Formula E. The company first focused on electric battery technology before changing its name and shifting to an electric vehicle manufacturer in 2016, 3 years after Rawlinson joined the company to lead its technology development before becoming CEO. An interesting and maybe unknown fact about Lucid is that Lucid is backed by wealthy Saudi Arabs. Lucid has some difficulty obtaining capital to fund its plans until September 2018 when it received $1 billion from Saudi Arabia's Sovereign Wealth Fund. It remains the largest shareholder of the company with about 62% of outstanding shares. I believe that Lucid's price will rise, considering many factors such as the Biden policy on green energy, strong demand for electric vehicles, high-end Lucid cars, awesome design which differentiate Lucid cars from Tesla's, but the risk is also very high. Any bad news such as delay of production or delivery of its car will negatively affect Lucid's stock price, like was the case for Tesla 10 years ago. Lucid's production start comes 2 weeks after Amazon-backed EV startup Rivian began production of its first vehicle, a pickup called the R1T, at a factory in Normal, Illinois. The design looks ugly, at least to my point of view. It's not listed on the stock market, so I am not going to present it here, but it's still a potential threat to Tesla. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment about your opinion on Tesla, Lucid. I would love to hear all about them. And with that being said, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.